once you're done with the sign up process and you got verified and all that, it's time to now get to the business. So first things first, you want to buy some crypto, right? If you already have crypto somewhere else, that part will come on how you actually transfer it into the exchange. But right now, I will focus on buying crypto, right? So you can see over here that you have where it says buy crypto, right? And you can choose which currency to pay with. So it says pay with. And if I click this little button here, it has a list of so many fiat currencies that you can use to deposit crypto onto Binance. So this is not all the fiat currencies in the world. You might find that your local currency is not available here. So what you could do, you can either buy with credit card or debit card, or use the Binance P2P trading feature to buy some crypto for yourself. I will make a separate video for this because it's kind of like a very separate and complicated feature on its own. But for now, if you have a way to do a bank deposit, you can click here and it gives you the banking details that you can use if you are allowed to deposit cash from your country, you know. So for example, here it is, and it says how much do you want to deposit. I can put here 5,000, and you know, I click continue, and you can see here the bank transfer is actually 0% if I use bank transfer. Whereas if I use all these other services, it's kind of, so, you know, it's telling me that it only accepts funding from a bank account under my own name. And this is my name here. You can see it popped up. And if I click confirm, it's going to take me to a different page where it's showing me all the banking details that I need to use. So remember, the bank account that you want to use to deposit money into Binance has to be the very same bank account as yours. So you can be in any country and you can still do a wire transfer as long as the transfer is going towards these banking details. So if I want to deposit a different currency, here I have the euro selected. If I want to select the US dollar, I can simply type in USD here. Right, I can type USD and you can see it's showing me. I'm in South Africa right now, so I can type ZAR, our local currency, and I'll be able to deposit. But you can see here if I use ZAR, you can see that the deposit to bank feature is disabled, meaning that I cannot deposit ZAR directly into Binance at the moment, right? So the only options that I have is credit card, P2P trading, or cash balance. Anyway, let's move on to the wallet. So you simply go over here, it says wallet, and once you click that, or once you hover around that wallet, you will see that it has a list of things going on. So what I need you to do is to click on the overview. So this shows you, the overview shows you the balance of all these other wallets, right? Because there are different types of wallets for different types of things that you want to do, or different types of trading, or we're gonna get into that. And you see it has this eye here where it says hide balance, so I can actually hide my balance if I want to, or I can bring it back up. And you see here it has fiat and spot. So fiat and spot is where most of your money is more likely to be. When you deposit, it shows up in this wallet. So you can see when I clicked overview, it showed my balance was about $8,000, 8,400. And now when I got into the fiat and spot, it decreased to 7,600, meaning that some of the wallets are not included in this, because now we're looking at specific wallets. So fiat and spot, meaning that this is the main wallet that you use to trade spot trading, or that you use to deposit or to withdraw from. So if your money is in other wallets like margin or futures, you cannot withdraw it into, say, sending it out to another wallet or withdrawing out of Binance. Whenever you want to withdraw, you use this wallet. So all these other wallets have a feature that allows you to transfer your funds from all these margin or futures or P2P or earn wallets into the fiat and spot wallet. Okay, and here you also have a feature that says hide small balances. So it's now going to show me the coins that I have only, and it's not going to include all the other stuff, right? It also has a feature here that says convert to BNB. So you can see here I have small amounts of 40 Naira and so many other little coins, 5 XRP and so on and so forth, but small amounts. Some of these are airdrops that I just received for free. I can choose to convert these to BNB, and if you have BNB on Binance, you actually get discount on transaction fees. So whenever you have all these coins that you don't want to use, you can select all of them, you click that, and then you can choose to convert it. You see I'm going to receive about 0.7 BNB. Wow. And that's about $20 or so, $23 or so, and I click confirm. I just thought I should show you guys that feature. It's pretty cool. So that's pretty much it. It's done. It's called dust. So these little coins here are called dust, and we have converted our dust into BNB. Okay, so back to the wallet, to the overview. You also have other things like earn, margin, futures, earn, and also these are just different wallets. They will become more relevant when it comes to trading those kind of assets for types of trading. So for now, let's just focus on this. And the next thing you want to learn, obviously, is how to deposit. Let's say you're not buying Bitcoin from Binance or whatever, you already have it. What you need to do is to deposit crypto and fiat over here on the deposit screen. So on the fiat side, that's where you can use also the deposit fiat. You can see my fiat deposit history here showing up. And if you try to deposit crypto, you can click crypto, and then it shows you a bunch of coins you can use you can use to deposit. So here by default it has Bitcoin, BTC. If you want to deposit ETH, you can simply type ETH over here or Ethereum, and you see Ethereum pops up, and on the right hand here you can see that I now have the QR code and the wallet address under it. So if I'm trying to send some crypto from Coinbase or another exchange, whatever, what have you, I simply have to scan on this screen to send into my Binance account, or copy this wallet address by clicking this little box here, and then I can be able to send the Ethereum into Binance. And that's pretty much how you deposit from Binance. And if you want to withdraw, it's as simple as going into, if you are in the overview even, it shows you the withdraw option over there. So here you simply click withdraw, and if you try to withdraw fiat, if your local currency is allowed to be withdrawn from Binance, maybe you're in Brazil and you have the Brazilian real, or if you're in Europe